How's everyone doing today? So I just finished installing this Android head unit in our 2011 Tacoma, and ever since I've had this vehicle, I've wanted to wire the reverse camera, which is up here. Let me put it in reverse, show you what I mean. It's up here in the rear view mirror. Now the problem with that is it's just so small you never use it. And as you can see, I now have the reverse camera up on the head unit, and I want to walk you through what I had to do to be able to make that happen. So first I'm going to pull this head unit down and flip it over. Depending on the head unit that you're using, you should have one wire that's a signal wire for the backup camera. So when you go into reverse, it either sends a power or a ground out. And that's the first thing you need to know. And then you should have a RCA jack or some kind of a video input going into your head unit. So here's the video input. Here's the trigger wire. On this particular truck, whenever I go into reverse, this wire gets power. And I've got both these running down to underneath the dash. Let me show you what I had to do to... Of course, I had a couple wiring diagrams to help me out. As far as the trigger wire, of course, it's running down underneath the dash, both these wires. The trigger wire, if you take your kick panel off, the trigger wire is this red wire right here. You can see I've spliced into it. Whenever the truck goes into reverse, this red wire on this connector goes hot or has power. So that tells the head unit we're in reverse, look for some video feed. Now the video feed is on this little connector right here. On this lower connector, you got two connectors. I've got this little deal popped off here, but normally it's right up inside here. There's your fuse box. There's the this little connector fitting right there. And if you look, so this is the RCA jack wire. You've got a, if you cut the wire and strip it, you've got a center conductor, which is that white wire. And then you've got the shield or the ground, which is that bare wire that you're looking at. So what you want to do is that the red wire in this connector hooked to the center conductor of your RCA jack wire. And then the shield wire on the RCA jack goes to the white wire. That's your that's your camera video feed, positive and negative. And then you've also got two other wires. You've got a power wire to power the camera up. And then you've got the shield wire, which is this one right here, that shields all four of those wires. So the center conductor of your RCA jack cable goes to the red wire. The shield in the RCA jack cable goes to the white wire. And then all I've got to do now is just tidy up the wiring, snap this back into its little hole so that it'll be up where it needs to be. And once you do that, not only will you have your video on your head unit, but you keep it on the mirror also. So whether you want to look at it down here on your head unit or up in the mirror, it's available both areas. Anyway, I just wanted to show that to you. That took a little bit of wire or a little bit of doing for me to figure out where everything was at. Finally got it figured out. Just wanted to share that with you in case you've got a Tacoma. This is a second gen Tacoma. I'm assuming all of them will probably be the same or real similar. At least any Tacomas that's got the rear tailgate camera. This is a factory, just so you, this is a factory tailgate camera. So if you got a factory camera that you want to wire into your aftermarket radio, that's how to do it. Anyway, we're done. You guys take care.